Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you should and you can create a pin on Pinterest in a way in which you will be able to reach maximum audience with free traffic. Let's launch the Pinterest app first, and I want you to pay very close attention to the way how we approach the situation. So let's say for example we are going to post something about dogs, right? First we want to search how the competition actually do the stuff, and then we're gonna filter over here by products. Okay, then you want to click view results. We're not gonna lose our time with a regular piece of content. We're gonna look how people are structuring their post, what search engine optimization they're using, and how they actually present the products. Okay, so for example, let's find something more natural. Let's find this picture. Okay, then you want to click, so you'll be able to see how everything is structured. So essentially this is the same picture that we have on Pinterest. This is the wall decor. Okay, so this is the customization. So even on their, okay, so they used, okay, so now if we go back, we saw that they're using very strong search engine optimization. But if you actually see who did actually publish this one, you will take a look and you will see that they don't actually utilize the functions as you can see over here for hashtags, but the description that was on the product is the description that is in the actual feed. Just go on the product and you will see the Etsy description is actually item details. Learn more about it. So the Etsy description is the same as the description on the actual Pinterest. So this is how we're gonna go about. In our case, we are going to post a random image, but you're gonna see how to apply the same strategy. Let's hit the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. Then click pin. Over here, I'm going to select this Ferrari. Okay. And now you can click on the pen button on the image itself, so you can adjust the stuff. You can include the music. It's the same editing functions that you're usually going to see on Instagram Reels. Okay, nothing special, but this is simply if you want to create engagement through the actual content. If you want to high rank over here, let's say for example we're running a dealership, okay, and we want people to show up and to do the test drive. New Ferrari Monza just landed, okay, and then you want to take them, go ahead and book your test drive before the spots filled up. Okay, so did you see what we did? And we're going to include Ferrari, right, or something shorter, something like test or like driving. Remember this is just the title over here. Now things will be moving down, and here we will be able essentially to look and tag Ferrari if they appear over here. Some brands appear, some brands doesn't. Okay, and you want to say check out the newest sport car masterpiece, and then you want to put some information how they can reach out to you, and then you can include the hashtags that we talk about it. Okay, so you can say the Ferrari, and then this is where you're gonna paste the link. So you're gonna go on your website, you're gonna take the link either from your website, or you're gonna take the particular link from the car. The best case is always to get the same link from the same listings from the same product that you're picturing in, but sometimes you don't, right? Some businesses cannot take picture of everything that they have, so paste the link over here, and then essentially you want to click create. You don't want to mess around with pick a board, because making it very extremely niche is reducing the potential audience and free traffic to your listing. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.